Hi everyone, welcome to our podcast. Today I have someone truly inspiring with me, Priyanka Khandelwal, and she is handling a complete CS practice as a company secretary in practice, and she has been handling since I think more than 10 years now, and she's managing a family, raising two kids, and at the same time she's also staying fit and still she takes out time for travel, fun, and personal growth. That's exactly what Priyanka does, and she does it all on her own terms. So how does she do it? What habits makes her unstoppable, and how she maintains that balance while she's chasing her dreams? And today we are going deeper into the power of habits, work-life balance, how she is handling work. So, Priyanka, warm welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you, Neha. Thank you so much for having me here. And I have a great feeling, and I can't, explain how I'm feeling today discussing with you. Though we discuss many different things on a daily, not on a daily basis, but regularly we discuss many things. But this time, the feeling is so totally different. Thank you so much
Wow,
for having
wow.
me.
So tell me, Priyanka, if I want my audience to know about your life in just three words, what would they be?
So my life, you can say it revolves. If I have to sum up into three words only, then it would be work, family, and myself. Right?
Wow,
Yeah.
wow.
So work
That's
that give
amazing.
yeah. So work which is like keep me motivated, and the family is only whom I love. It's not about like my kid, my husband, my father. It's about everyone whom I love.
Everyone.
That's my family. And myself, of course, I give time to myself for my grooming and for myself, which makes me happy. That's myself.
Wow, wow, amazing. So let's start from the beginning, maybe. Maybe when you started your own practice. Tell us more about why you chose this field, company secretary. Was it passion, or like somebody pushed you, or even sometimes, life pushes you into this and then you do it? Because, a lot of people nowadays, they struggle from deciding whether they want to work for a firm or with whether they want to go into starting their own CS practice. And what made you think of this start of your own?
So basically, if you talk about this particular profession which I am in right now, this was not my first choice. Yeah,
Hmm.
let me be, true
Honest.
to, yeah,
Yeah.
honest. So
Yeah.
that was not my first choice. That was my parents' choice. That because they wanted me to be in such career wherein I can, be into connected to the studies, and this was the whole mentality my parents used to have at that point in time. But later on, I started liking this profession because uh, initially even I was not so studious. Later, when my CS groups, I started clearing all the groups in one attempt. So that encouraged me, and that it's
Build
I
the
started liking.
confidence.
Yes, it
Yeah.
built
So
my
when you
confidence,
take a
and I started.
small action to anything, I mean, whenever people for example, if somebody tell me that Neha, go on a stage of 4,000 people and just address them, I won't be able to do it. Because I will feel like a low confidence zone. But then when you say me to speak to one to somebody, yeah, I can connect because that is what I practice. That's what my natural tendency is.
Yeah,
But when you practice something and when you practice this for a longer time, you understand that this is something resonating with me. Yeah,
right.
absolutely right. Because a lot of people, today they struggle to understand so many things. They go into a low confidence zone, and apart from that, they face challenge of many things. Like they face challenge in their early days. if they are into a certain profession, they feel like I'm not in a confidence zone and I feel like quitting. So
Right,
have you
right.
ever faced kind of a challenges in your early days that, yeah, you built up the confidence, and I'm sure that you must have got into some challenges. Sometimes a new kind of work has come up which you have not done earlier, and you might be feeling like ye nahi ho payega, let's quit that. This is something I can't handle. Have this ever happened to you?
Yes. So initially, as I told you, I was not so studious person, right?
Hmm.
So my parents used to, wanted me to be in this profession. So I thought that it's okay. I was always into a fashion, and
Hmm.
air
Yeah.
hostess used to fascinate me a lot. Being an air
Yeah.
hostess, because
Yeah.
I have a height, right? Right, I am
Yeah.
quite tall. So
Yeah.
that was my one focused career I wanted to choose in my life, but it's all about destiny. So I chose this
Hmm.
profession, and I came into this, and later on I started liking it also. So sometimes also, yes, you were so right that sometimes I also had that feeling that I should quit this profession, because
Hmm.
I have come up from such a area, such a
Hmm.
place wherein there were no, proper guidance, and the, coaching
Hmm.
classes used to happen there. So I had to, any which ways, I had no other option than to come to Delhi to take my further, classes. But my family was not so open-minded. They were
Hmm.
very conservative, and they used to think that no, girl should have to be, a girl have to be at home, or मतलब माय फादर यूज टू थिंक कि आसपास कहीं कोचिंग ले लो, यहाँ से जितना हो जाता है उतना कर लो, रेस्ट जो होता है ठीक है. But my
Yeah.
mother was always like, no, she has to study, she has to be independent, and she has to do something in her life. And I mean, my mother was the only person who stood besides me, and she was the one who, helped me pursuing my profession. My
Wow.
father wanted me to be in this profession, but he was never like sending me out of his, safe zone.
Yeah, out of the
So,
safe zone. But he never
yes.
understood that out of the comfort zone, there lies the growth and there lies the success.
So that's the mentality we can't change. That we have to,
Absolutely.
prove ourselves in front of the people whom
I
we
can
love.
handle it, I can go that. पेरेंटिंग जोन ऐसा होता है ना कि पेरेंट्स कहते हैं ऐसे मत करना बच्चों, यू माइट फॉल, और वो सारा
बिल्कुल.
हम शुरू
हम
से
लोग
ही
उनको हम लोग इतने
फियर.
फियर में आ जाते हैं, हम लोग इतना कंसर्न हो जाते हैं उस चीज को लेकर कि नहीं, मेरा बच्चा अगर ये नहीं कर पाएगा, गिर जाएगा, चोट लग जाएगी, हम उसको करने ही नहीं देंगे, तो वो ट्राई भी नहीं करेगा. तो मेरे साथ भी
या.
ऐसा ही था. बट आई केम हियर, आई केम टू दिल्ली, आई टुक माई कोचिंग्स, आई cleared all my groups in one attempt and got the best of the
वाओ.
training and jobs. फिर
सो आर यू
that's
हैप्पी नाउ?
yes. So now the company law is my happy place.
Okay. So if I ask you to go back and give advice to maybe 2010 version of Priyanka, what would you say to her? If
See,
you visualize
advice.
your 2010 Priyanka and just yeah, this is Priyanka 2010 version, and just want to advise her, what would you say?
See, I would only advise that do whatever you want to do, but
Hmm.
see, has to be in a limit. मतलब you should not. You should always know your limits. कहाँ तक जाना है, कितना करना है, और एक्साइटमेंट में आके हमें वो सब नहीं करना है जो हमें नहीं करना है. So that's what I want to tell you. Otherwise, regret लाइफ में कुछ नहीं है.
Hmm.
आई
Hmm.
हैव डन एवरीथिंग. यहाँ पे आके दोस्त बनाए, अपना पढ़ाई की, घूमे फिरे, सब कुछ बोला, पेरेंट्स से झूठ भी बोला कभी, और
Hmm.
बट सब किया. लाइफ में रिग्रेट, वही मैं कह रही हूँ, रिग्रेट नहीं है लाइफ में कुछ भी. बट बस यही है कि आज भी कई बार ये सोचती हूँ कि शायद मैं इस प्रोफेशन में ना हो कि कहीं और होती, तो शायद कुछ और कर रही होती. तो वो एक एक हल्का सा कीड़ा है दिमाग में अभी भी कि
Still you can go and pursue
and
that.
for that also, recently in 2021, I participated in one of the fashion pageant.
Yeah,
or
yeah, I remember that. Yeah,
yes, yes, yes,
actually that is connecting you to your few the previous Priyanka कि वो
yes.
fashion show और वो जो हमें जाना था करना था, still you are pursuing that. That is
Yeah,
so
so
great.
that
And
was there somewhere there in my mind and my heart, you can say. So
hmm,
I had a word with my husband, and he was like, "Go and pursue whatever you want to do." He never stopped me from anything.
absolutely, absolutely amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
so
I
I think that yeah, that success is never an accident. It is
right.
like built on habits and built on when you are raising a family, when you are managing your own business, and then you are taking time out for working out, and still you're making time for your friends, for social life. What is the secret, yeah? I mean, so many things together you're doing. How do you do that? What is one thing, one morning habit maybe you are doing that is setting you up for success? What is that?
So basically, see, I have a very, maybe you can say, bad habit or a good habit. I write down everything.
Wow, that
Even
is a good habit.
whatever I discuss, whatever I say, I write down everything. So I have a lot of diaries filled in with my rough work and everything. So I have many a task for the day. I write down everything so that I do not skip any. So
Hmm.
sometimes if I do not get time to fulfill all those tasks, so I carry forward those tasks to the next day and try to fulfill all those things. So you are not audible, maybe.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
I understood that.
So
Yeah.
so that one habit I
That's
have.
writing thing is so good, so powerful, you know. I have recently, so I was also writing a lot, but then now I've started scribbling everything, right? Starting from gratitude notes, starting from affirmations, what I want for myself, what I want, what I also visualize myself, like I where I want to see myself after 5 years or after 1 year, and things got so much clearer. It's like when you
So
know
that's the
what,
manifestation.
yeah, so when
Yeah.
you know something that where you are heading, the path becomes clearer, right?
Yeah.
And that's what I think that you are right. Writing is something you scribble, you write, the more clearer you become.
Yes, yes. So that's what I do every day in the morning. Starting from making my kids ready to school till the end of my day, I write everything. So
Wow,
even you can say
amazing.
I have a pen and paper right now also, whatever things.
Whatever things are
Yeah,
going
yeah,
on,
yeah.
you're just
Every,
writing. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Every time I
Absolutely.
do.
So that one day you can also write a book on yourself.
Yes, definitely. I maybe do that.
So
Yeah.
are you passionate about healthy food or fitness, and do you do that?
Yes, definitely. So, as you know, fitness is very important. And if I say that I love myself, if I do not follow my fitness routine and I do not follow
Yeah,
my,
you feel
diet, I
missed
do
out.
not love myself.
Yeah.
I believe that if you will love your body, then only your body will love you back.
Wow, amazing. Yeah.
Right?
So how do you make time for that?
No, I need not to see. I have a doctor in my family, and he is a doctor, and we are, bound to follow that, routine, that healthy diet in our regular days.
Food and times,
So
yeah.
yeah, food, everything. So we have to follow that by choice or
Anything.
by pressure. So we
Okay.
have to do that. So yeah, uh,
That's
healthy
amazing.
fitness is like I
Personally
think
do.
that. So I'm very much regular in my gym. So
Wow. So you
whenever I
manage
cannot get
working
time in the
out.
morning, I
Yeah.
go in the afternoon like 3:30, 4 o'clock, or else like 8, 9, whatever time I get, I hit my gym and I do that for sure.
So what is your one hack to stay consistently going? आपको motivate क्या करता है कि हर दिन मुझे जाना ही है? What motivates you?
See, these days, looking good is very important. So that's the one thing which,
That's the one thing.
motivates me. Yes,
Motivate.
that motivates me a a lot, and to stay fit into my clothes, what all I have already bought, and I try to buy one lesser size so that I target that I have to be fit into this particular clothes. So
So
otherwise,
great, great, great.
consistency is only in the mind.
Yeah, it is a
Like if
mindset
you
game.
have if you have आपने सोच लिया है कि मुझे ये करना है तो करना है, इसमें कोई
Hmm.
सेकंड ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, and
So it's
you are
like
doing
कि
it for
habits.
yourself, no, for no one else.
Yeah, so it's like habits. हम 21 days अगर हम लगातार कुछ करते रहे तो becomes our routine
Yes.
for a longer time. And I
Yes.
think, yeah, you have been doing it for a very long time and you maintain that. So that's good. That's absolutely great. So how do you follow? Do you follow a strict routine or do you go with the flow? तो कहते हैं ना
uh
कि स्केड्यूल के हिसाब से चलते हो या जो हो रहा है उसके फ्लो के हिसाब से चलते हो?
no, few schedules are fixed, like my our food and our exercise, matlab, gym and
हम्म
exercises,
हम्म
these are fixed. Otherwise, like, and of course work timings are fixed. We have dedicated few hours that during this time I have to work, and few hours for my kids are fixed, that this time is only for my kids. And of course I won't be I'll be honest that sometimes I have dedicated for myself to be on phone scrolling with the
हम्म
social media, and to keep myself updated, whatever what is happening in the world, so that I
yeah
have fixed time for everything. It's not that it's not like 2 to 3 we have to do this, 3 to 4 this, it's not like
yeah,
that,
of
like,
course,
yeah,
but yeah,
so
there is
morning time is
certain.
for this, afternoon this, and like
Yeah,
evening is this, so
absolutely,
that's how I
absolutely.
have.
Amazing, amazing. So, many professionals, especially women, they feel like they are torn between work and family.
Yeah.
And many a times it happens, no, when some woman has some kids and they took a break and they just planned their family and then they don't come back to their work life. They have a fear that they won't be able to balance their career and their personal life and the kids, and they feel guilty कि बच्चों को छोड़ के जाऊंगी तो who will take care of them, और बहुत सारे ऐसे थॉट्स चलते रहते हैं उनके माइंड में. That's what they step back to not go to office or not go to work and not even
Pursue their
explore
career, yeah.
their business or their time, their career. And so was there any time when for you work took over your life and you had to step back?
So I have been very fortunate in this particular thing, right? My family has always been so cooperative, be it my husband, my father-in-law, everyone in the family are so cooperative. Even when I, delivered my first child, I delivered in the month of June, and it was quite like my annual filing time, right? So even in my initial days, my father-in-law took care of my child. He used to do all his work, in spite of being so busy in his own schedule. He used to help me in even today, whenever I have meetings, I have any important event to go for, he is always, my family is always there. So I don't think that I had any point of time I had to think of quitting my profession. In fact, they always encourage me to go and pursue my dreams.
Wow,
So
amazing,
yeah.
amazing. So was there any time when you thought of you want to scale your business and you have to make sure that your kids are there and you are present for them? Because I understand that your in-laws and your husband is there, but being a mother, I think kids also need their mother, their mom's time. And how do you manage scaling the business and also make sure that you are there with your kids?
Yeah, so in raising our kids, if I talk about, my husband is always standing next to me.
Yeah.
Right. So there are times whenever my kids needs me, so he
Hmm.
takes care of my work. Right. So he handles my meetings sometimes,
Okay.
and I can't handle his work because he has his own different set of
Yeah.
kind of work. So but he helps me in all those things. So sometimes whenever I have to be with my kids, I have to go there somewhere, so he manages everything. So he has his complete hand in taking care of
Everything.
my kids,
Yeah.
everything.
How amazing,
He
amazing.
has a big support in my life.
So that's what I say, that Priyanka, it's not that he's supporting you just because you are supportive to many other things which you can't see right now, but then it's a win-win for both of you. Like,
Right.
I mean, you are good, and that is why the world outside is good. Yeah,
Right,
that's what I
right,
think that. So you love working on your own terms, right?
right.
So what does freedom mean to you in your
See,
career or your
freedom
personal
means,
life?
yeah, so I have experienced in my family that whenever there are any kind of, you know, decision needs to be taken with respect to family, kids, or any and anything. So my advice is being taken. They also ask me to come and sit and discuss everything. So
Which
you know
means freedom to you when I think freedom
and
for
I
you is
express my own views, opinions on every matter. And see, freedom is not about you go out whatever time you want to, and it's like freedom to speak is also a freedom, and
hmm, yeah,
freedom
yeah,
to
freedom to be liked and freedom to be spoken and freedom to be
yes,
heard. And I think you
right.
are heard in
So
every
that kind of
decision.
freedom I have in my life, and
Yeah,
which is very
that's the
important.
greatest freedom. Yeah,
Yes, going out with friends and spending time
it's
with
a small thing.
it's a small thing. Yes, yes, yes. So that
Bigger
freedom I
thing
have in
is,
my life.
bigger thing is you already have attained that. So
Yeah,
yeah. So
yeah.
if I ask you one word, one parenting tip you want to give,
Hmm.
what would be that in one word?
See, parenting tip would be just be if you are with your child, you have to be with him, not with your phone. Any and you have to keep
Anything else?
aside your phone, your whatever things you are doing. You have to be with your child, and you have to listen to him or her, and you know you have to completely be with him. जो
Completely
वो कह रहा है
absorbing in their area in
उसकी बातों को
completely.
सुन के उस पे जो छोटे छोटे रिएक्शंस वो देते हैं, और हम उनको जो रिएक्शन देते हैं, वो दैट मैटर्स अ लॉट टू देम, राइट?
Yeah,
वो बच्चों
yeah,
को सेंस ऑफ कनेक्शन
मिलता
उनको
है.
भी लगता है, और हमें भी ऐसा फील होता है कि हाँ, दैट पेरेंटिंग, आई मीन,
I
वन
agree.
वर्ड इज जस्ट बी विद
Be
देम
with
इफ
them.
यू आर विद देम.
Yeah.
या
So I think that's absolutely amazing because हम जब authentically उनके साथ होते हैं ना रियल में, without our FOMO, without our social media, without that cheap dopamine, and we actually get absorbed too, और हमें इतना अच्छा लगता है, we feel real about it. Yeah,
हमें अच्छा लगता है, और बच्चों को तो
बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
उनके लिए
And
बहुत प्रेशियस
that
मोमेंट
is the
होते हैं.
real number one nurturing or number one thing to for them for
या
their real development in that sense.
राइट राइट.
Absolutely. So we talked about work, we talked about your habits, we talked about our kids. Now let's get real. You love gossiping, you love partying. So you have fun, play with your life. I mean, you take out time for your friends too and your professional circle also. So tell me, what is the best gossip you have ever heard in your professional career?
Best gossip. So, gossips, see, gossips are like in our blood.
Hmm.
So, it can be professional gossips and can be, I mean, in the if
Personal, any daily,
personal.
anywhere.
So, this
Okay.
gossip you're talking about for myself, or I have gossiped with about
No,
someone
you have
else?
heard, you have heard.
Okay.
So maybe we
So,
can skip this. Yeah, so So maybe you are not that gossip queen, or you don't love being gossiping and amazing. And I
मे बी
had that.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो गॉसिप ही किया जो उसको पता ही चल जाए उसके बारे में हम कर रहे हैं.
Absolutely
Maybe
amazing, yeah.
I haven't heard anything about myself. Somebody is gossiping about me, bit bad or
So
good.
even I heard that in Jack Canfield's book that one should never complain, never blame, and never criticize anybody. So
Right.
that's one key lesson I've learned in my last year, that yeah, let's take that as a thing, as a rule for ourselves, that let's not blame, let's not like, make excuses, and let's not criticize anybody, be it
Absolutely.
anybody. And that is the piece of advice I think
Hmm.
should be there. When you do
Right.
this, you change, you transform yourself, and you are a different person then.
Right. Absolutely. Absolutely.
So, okay, so are you a morning person or a night person?
I am a morning person now
Oh,
because
okay.
I have a set routine of getting up early in the morning. So, but not the
Wow,
night person.
amazing, amazing. And one habit you want to develop in the next year?
Uh, I want to be more focused and, more, I want to grow more in my profession. That's the,
Profession. Wow, wow.
yes, yes.
That's a great
Because
aim.
kids are grown up, they have their own life now.
Yeah, yeah.
So the
Yeah,
only thing
amazing.
left with me is my, profession career.
So, Priyanka, this has been an amazing conversation and so many powerful insights where people can connect with you really and follow your journey. And while I want to tell my audience that if Priyanka can do it, you can also do it, because she's balancing her family, her kids, and her work life, and she's also doing that self-love to herself, engaging into the habits and everything. So let's follow your journey. And if you found this episode really valuable, drop your comments. And thank you so much.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Bye.